अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम PSY 502 का क्विज नंबर 3 सॉल्व करेंगे, जिसमें लेक्चर 18 से लेकर लेक्चर 28 तक के MCQs शामिल हैं। MCQ नंबर 1, द concept of lateral thinking, which is similar to creative or problem-solving thinking, was introduced by Edward de Bono. The concept of isomorphism was introduced by Wolfgang Kohler. Which of the following gestaltists are responsible for the concept of apparent movement or phi phenomena? Max Wertheimer. A child is rewarded after a week if his room is cleaned 7 days a week. एक मुद्दत के बाद उसको reinforcement मिलती है, यानी कि fixed interval schedule. Which of the following refers to the mindset of the observer? जो ज्योग्राफिकल रियलिटी होती है, यानी कि जो असल में पाई जाने वाली चीज़ है, उसे कहते हैं ज्योग्राफिकल फील्ड। लेकिन जो इंसान अपने दिमाग में लेके घूमता है, जो उसका माइंडसेट होता है, उसे कहते हैं फील्ड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। When we see one image moving from one place to another, although there is no physically movement, this concept is known as phi phenomena. वो इतना जल्दी जल्दी हो रहा होता है कि इंसान को लगता है कि वो मूवमेंट हो रही है। According to Leontief, when a person hears about food, his or her mouth starts to water. Therefore, hearing about food represents which of the following stimulus? Symbolic stimulus. Franz Mesmer proposed which of the following treatment of mental disorders? Mesmerism. Who emphasized that the structure and functions of consciousness cannot be separated, they both complement each other. लियोन विगोट्स्की ने ये बात कही थी कि बिहेवियरिस्ट जो है वो सिर्फ बिहेवियर पढ़ते हैं, फंक्शनलिस्ट सिर्फ कॉन्शियसनेस के फंक्शन को पढ़ते हैं, और स्ट्रक्चरलिस्ट जो है वो सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर को पढ़ते हैं कॉन्शियसनेस के। हालांकि मैं मानता हूँ कि इंसान को अगर आपने पढ़ना है तो आपने इन सारी चीज़ों को इकट्ठा लेके चलना है, क्योंकि ये चीज़ें एक दूसरे को कंप्लीट करती हैं। Which of the following was considered by an ancient as a person within a person? Soul. रूह को मानते थे कि इंसान के अंदर ही एक इंसान है। Which of the following was considered by an ancient as a person within a person? Soul. Who proposed that in the mind of individuals there is a map which according to him is the explanation of things around him? ये वॉल्फगैंग कोहलर ने बात कही थी। When you touch something hot, in Alexei Leontief's view, it is ordinary stimulus. Which of the following style was introduced by Kurt Lewin? Leadership. उन्होंने leadership की 3 styles दिए थे: authoritarian, democratic, and laissez-faire. According to Rubinstein, man's psychology can be understood with the help of which of the following processes? Dialectical process. Baikov pointed out that in historical development of man, the sensory signal system changed into which of the following? Verbal system. Which of the following fields contributors tried to see how consciousness in human developed? Historico-evolutionary. Which of the following was the name of psychologist who invented mesmerism? Franz Mesmer. Kurt Lewin belongs to which of the following school of thought? Gestalt. Which of the following, according to Mesmer, used to define a force that causes people to get mad or insane when it upsets the body? Animal magnetism. The ancient men thought that which of the following were the result of soul's activities? Dreams. उनका मानना था कि जब हम सो जाते हैं तो हमारी रूह जो काम करती है वो हमें ख्वाब में दिखाई देते हैं। Who was the first truly Soviet psychologist? Vygotsky. Which of the followings refer to the mindset of the observer? Field of experience. Braid thought of Dash as a producing a nervous sleep which differed from ordinary sleep. Hypnotism. How many styles of leadership were recognized by Kurt Lewin? 3. Ancient people regarded mentally ill people to have normal people and they thought they could foretell. वो कहते थे कि जो mentally ill लोग होते हैं वो future के बारे में बता सकते हैं. Who emphasized that the structure and the functions of consciousness cannot be separated, they both complement each other? Leon Vygotsky. Which of the following concept was suggested by Kohler, which means that there is kind of a mental map of object in environment? Isomorphism. Which of the following belongs to historico-evolutionary psychology? Vygotsky. Leontief put forward the view that consciousness is a product of sensitivity to symbolic stimuli. Jean Charcot wrote an article in a medical journal showing that hypnotism can be used to treat hysteria. Which of the following argued that consciousness originates as a result of sensitivity to a certain stimuli? Rubinstein. Leontief classified stimuli into two categories. Which of the following field has also received important contributions of Levin? Group dynamics. Among the following, who is the main proponent of dynamic psychology? William McDougall, who concluded in his experiments on monkey that monkeys were able to solve their problems through insight. Wolfgang Kohler. Which of the following leader is the one who is willing to delegate power and authority to others for making decisions? Laissez-faire. Who among the following coined the words hypnotism, hypnotize, and hypnotist, which remain in use? James Braid. The concept of lateral thinking, which is similar to creative or problem solving thinking, was introduced by Edward de Bono. What happens, according to Leontief, when the body receives a stimuli from the environment? It reacts to them. Franz Mesmer proposed which of the following treatment of mental disorders? Mesmerism. Bernheim is also known as antagonist of his which contemporary and fellow neurologist Jean Charcot. और इसको उल्टा करके भी पूछ सकते हैं, जीन चारकोट का बता दें और बेरनहीम के बारे में पूछें. Leontief put forward the view that consciousness is a product of sensitivity to symbolic stimuli. According to the ancient Greeks and Romans, mentally ill people were possessed by spirits. Who among the following said that a man's development is a function of biological evolution and a function of historico-cultural evolution? Vygotsky. Who regarded as the pioneer in helping society recognize the fact that mental systems are a kind of disease? Philip Peniel. Which of the following is also known as hormic psychology? Dynamic psychology. Which of the following is also known as antagonist of his contemporary and fellow neurologist Jean Charcot? Bernheim. Which of the following was used by drilling a hole in the skull of the mentally ill person to allow the evil or bad spirit to escape? Trephining कहते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे trepanning इस्तेमाल हुआ है. As proposed by Darwin, environment has an impact on human, but according to whom, not on the environment, but in turn, a man tries to change. Leon Vygotsky, who believed hypnotism as a nervous sleep as compared to ordinary sleep. James Braid. The explanation of mental disease according to the ancient man was that mental disorders are caused by abnormal activities of soul.